What's going on YouTube? You're watching ExquisiteMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Today, going to be working on this TELSA. This TELSA is in need of a lot of TLC. It's going to undergo paint correction. After that, it's going to be completely sealed up. So, stay tuned. What I'm going to do right now, I'm actually going to show you the before. There's a lot of issues with this car. Doesn't look like it from far away, but I'm actually going to be bringing you right up on it. And as you can see, there's tree sap. And there are swirls. Lots of swirls. A lot of rock chips. A lot of rock chips, as you can see. And the paint is just not very good. There's a few dings. I mean, can't do much about that, but there is some paint failure here as far as stuff going on here. I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but you see all this here. I'm gonna bring it very, very slow to let y'all see. Right now the sun isn't shining, so you can't see a lot of imperfections, but this car needs to be clayed. It's gonna be washed, it's gonna be clayed, it's gonna be decontaminated. The entire surface is gonna be decontaminated and completely clean. And after that, I'm gonna get in straight into a multi-stage paint correction. And this is not going to be a quick process. It's going to take a little bit. Some more tree sap, as you can see. You see a lot of imperfections as I bring this up close. Now what I'm going to do is actually start clay barring. As you can see, there's just a ton of swirls in here. It's a lot of swirls, a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna get all that stuff out. And but we're not there yet. So what I've done since I've started looking, that right there is actually, it looks like tree sap. It's actually in the paint. So you can kind of see here. You can see all the swirls that are in here. It's awful. Looks really, really bad, y'all. Really, really bad. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and strap this to my head, and then I'm gonna let you get a point of view perspective on what I'm actually doing. And I'm getting off all the surface contamination.